MiScreen, the portable digital screen maker. Screen print anytime, anywhere. Lightweight and eco-friendly. No emulsion, no water, no positive films, no chemicals. Foil screen printing. Open the RIP software for MiScreen and just click, drag and drop the JPEG file. Now, proceed to hold down to start screen making. Then, prepare the screen table, place the frame on top of the table, and align and tighten it on the center accordingly. Proceed to screen print 4 times for bold results. And move to the heat press. Place the foil on top, then the protection paper, then hold and press for less than 10 seconds. Once done, use any cloth to cool down the foil. For more information and more informative videos like these, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website mygraph.com.